Oh, listen to them all complain.
They're coming for us. What is that, Moo-moo?
Did they escape or are they just trying to move them on?
I think they're just hurting them. Look at that. Some of them are not happy.
They can stampede.
I think that's what they're trying to get him to keep from doing.
Oh, it's just a little boy on the horse.
I know. I just recognized that.
I thought it was like a small man.
Yeah. Alright. I think we could probably...
No, I'm going to wait for these to go through. I don't want to...
Uh-oh, one's getting on this road. What is that, Moo-moo? What is it?
Over here, Moo-moo, the cows, not the man on the horse.
You can start going.
Not until these are gone. I don't want to...
Well, because then the cow might try and go across the road. See what the quad's trying to do?
Very sketchy. Wouldn't have stayed in that one at Canada if he wasn't in a group.
So we're headed down the road and getting ready to go on a hike. The trail is about 27 miles long, but we're not going to go the full... Well, at least I'm not going to go 27 miles.
It's a test today to see how far we can go.
We're going to see how far we can go. But remember, we have to walk back, so...
Yeah.
What a beautiful spot. Danny's getting parked. We've made it to the hiking trail. There's also campsites here, but it is paid. I believe it's like $18 a night. There's the trail right there. Restrooms here and also trash. It's uncomfortable.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves you follow me, drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be.
For thousands of years, people from Native American to Spanish and Anglo settlers to today's climbers, hikers, and mountain bikers have been drawn to these rocky canyons. Ooh, look at that. Donation box. Looks more like a trash can with a walking stick. Your donation is appreciated. I don't think I put my donation in an empty box with a bunch of trash. Alright. New hiking shoes on. Awesome. Ready, Moo-moo? I think like 7,600 elevation.
I don't think it's that much higher than where we were.
Yeah. This is beautiful. Mechanized! The landscape around here is freaking beautiful. Look at these sheer cut rock faces. They're just flat. That is amazing. What did you find, Moo-moo? Huh? There seems to be some kind of cave right here. Wow. Oh my. I don't know if I'd want to be under there. Look. Ooh. There's a path that goes this way, but it just leads right to the rocks. Definitely a perfect place for rock climbers. There are just little pink flowers everywhere along this path. I believe they're part of this bush. This is really amazing. It's like being in a canyon. Well, I guess I am kind of because I'm surrounded by walls. Speaking of rock climbers, there goes one right there. How neat. Well, the path gets a little overgrown and feels a little claustrophobic. But fortunately, it's just bushes. Look, it's a spaceman painted on the side of the rock. I'm sure someone had to rock climb to get that painted. If you want to go rock climbing, you kind of have to go through the bush. Oh, look at that little cave right there. Neat. Okay, so I'm going to change my socks because I wore thick socks today and they are rubbing my heel. Luckily, I brought some thinner socks. Are you eating grass, Luna?
Oh, we're on the horse trail. I think we're coming this way, so we should come up to mile mark 6. So I think we went up this way instead of that way.
It's fine. It's my heels that are bothering me. But these are pretty thick.
Yeah.
But even with the thin
My
socks,
Murano
yes.
socks are even
I
thicker.
think we are on the Penitente Canyon Trail because if you look, the Blue Sky Loop goes back from the parking lot first. So that would have been on the other side of the toilets. There was another trail there.
Well, that's the Penitente. This is the toilets. This is the information bureau. I'm gonna go this way.
Yeah, I think we're going here.
Yeah, that's the foot and horse trail.
Okay, so I loosened up my shoes and put on some thinner socks. I think it's working. My heels aren't rubbing anymore. Look at this kind of weird cave we're in. Weird. Now that's weird.
Show them down there.
Oh, I saw another cave that was exactly like that.
Luna, get out of the way.
It's fine. So we are continuing on down the trail. This is definitely a tight part of the trail. Ooh, look. We've reached a part of the trail where you actually have to climb some rock.
You can do it. I believe in you. Yay! You made it.
Alright, oh, that wasn't too bad. The trail continues on. This path, that's kind of weird. This is definitely an amazing trail. Look at this. That's so beautiful. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna let you run. Go, go. I'm gonna let her off the lead. Just a second. There sure is a lot of uphill climbing on this path. Little hole in the rock. Doesn't go that far deep. Whoosh. It's a lot of uphill. Look at the light coming through the crack of the rock. Look at all these big boulders. That is so beautiful. There were 18 eruptions here in this area. That's why the landscape looks like this. Wow. Ooh. Going in between some rocks. Oh, wow. Look at the tree. Oh, wow. This is cool. So if you get a chance to do this hike, I definitely would. Although, there is a lot of uphill. Lord. Whoa. There we go. Wow. A lot of climbing going on here.
How you doing, girl?
I'm doing good. Did y'all find a shady spot?
Yeah.
Cool. Definitely had to stop for some water. That breeze feels good.
Does it?
Having a rock with the camera. Not very safe, is it? But look at the view. Isn't that beautiful? We reached one peak, but it does go higher. Oh, you can start to see the plains and the farmland past the mountains. Made it to the top. That's so beautiful there. If you look right there, that is the canyon that we walked through. We came this way and then up.
I have tits. I'm off balance going downhill anyway.
I know how you.
Walking stick.
I know how you feel, girl.
You need a backpack to balance out.
Yeah, the backpack does help balance because there's weight on your back, and mine helps me.
All that we had, I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing into me, so close to the edge of something so worth it. You had the world right at your feet, and almost is all we'll ever be. Let me go, left me in this mess I'm falling. Never know, can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer, can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any
Decided to stop at the top of this mountain and have lunch. It was wonderful and the views were awesome. So we're gonna get back hiking and head back down.
This is marker 6.
Marker 6.
So we started here,
Uh-huh.
came this way, and we're here.
Oh, marker 6. Oh, we're halfway then. 'Cause,
3/4
Well, yeah,
almost.
3/4. No, because we still have to do all this right here.
Which way's north?
So at least we know where we are. The trail's this way right here. Here's the trail. That's where we're going. Come to an opening and coming around the other side of the mountain. This is amazing. Oh, oh, oh.
Can you go get your camera?
Ooh, slip and slide, slip and slide. Loose rocks. The road, blockage in the road. Ooh. Definitely looks like a wash that's been turned into a trail. This trail was definitely a wash at one time, and probably still is. What happened?
She wasn't going down.
Oh God, yeah. I
You
definitely,
might want to stop filming at this point.
yeah, I am. Choose high road or low road. I guess I'll go the low road.
Holy crap.
What happened?
This is getting narrower and narrower.
Is it? Do y'all want to turn around and just go back? We're halfway.
No, keep going.
Okay. Whoa. Yeah, this is kind of hard to do. Oh yeah, it does get narrow through here. Moo-moo, go. Go ahead, go. Good girl. There's the pro. Okay, hope this doesn't break. Okay. Yay, we made it. And I've been left behind. This trail is... Oh, Lord. Okay, this reminds me of 127 hours where the guy gets stuck here. Oh my God. Water definitely looks like it carved that out. All right, keep on going. Ugh. Don't hit my head on that tree. Ugh. How you feeling, Moo-moo? You good? Sniffy, sniff, sniff. Come on. Let's go. Look at this tight corner. Oh, not too bad. Okay. This is awesome. I love this place. Okay. Steady foot, steady foot. We gotta go back?
No, we gotta go up and then around down there.
Well, you know, on the map it did have dotted lines, so it might have been like this is like, oh geez. Yeah, we've
I don't even know where you would go once you go up there.
come to a cliff. Y'all feel like climbing? Oh. I don't even know where we are. The trail's not, he's climbing, he says to climb around. I don't know, Seth, I know the way back. We might run into something else. You can go that way and meet us if you want.
It's down there. It's right there.
Yeah, but then we have to go through all that and then all those boulders.
Well, the other option is we can hike over this rock.
Yeah, so this was a wash and not a trail, I don't think, because it just leads right off to a cliff. You know, if this was full with water, this would be an awesome waterfall.
If you come
And
up,
so
come
would
up
we
right
be
here,
falling with the
look.
water.
Yes. Awesome. Ah! So Seth is going ahead to scout it out to see if the trail actually goes or we hit more rocks.
Yeah, this is the walking trail that other people have diverted. They didn't go down that way. They came around this way.
Oh, maybe that's the trail back there.
Oh yeah, I see over there. There's some over there too. We just went
over
down.
there?
Over here.
Is it good? All right, let's go. Okay. Not for the faint of heart. No, not that way. It's steep that way. You got to go down this way. See?
Right here.
Oh yeah, that's less steep.
Yes.
Sure.
So this is the route we're going down right here. Seth's already down there. We made it down. So oh, this is tight through here.
Follow the trail. It's like a Jurassic Park shot.
You're at Jurassic Park. Okay. Oh, that's tight. I don't feel like we're on a trail anymore. Oh. And I'm stuck.
You went the hard way over.
Which way is the... Oh. Oh, I almost tried to get stuck there. I'm over here now. Much better. That rock looks dangerous. Smack you right on the head. We just came from up there. That definitely was not easy. Yep. There was a fence right there, so we couldn't continue on. Oh yeah, there's a gate right here. This might be it.
There's a gate in the trail.
Okay, cool. Awesome. We found it.
Problem averted. Maybe there's cows in here. No, it's not.
No, it's not locked. It's just chained. Oh, we came all that way right there. All right, lock the gate back up. There we go. All right, they're continuing on. Awesome. There's the wash we were just in. Not so bad. And the trail does follow the wash. It's beautiful here. Kind of scary where we were. You waiting for me in the shade, Moo-moo? Good girl. Come here. You such a good girl. Good girl. All right, let's go. Look at this. This is awesome. It leads out to kind of an opening. Look at all the brush. Look at the wash. It's gotten small and narrow. It's barely even there anymore. Yay, we've made it. There's the van in the distance. You can see the top of it. Little white van. Well, everyone, I want to thank you for taking this awesome hike. A bit scary at times, but it was still wonderful. The views were awesome. So until next time, stay safe and onward bound. Bye, everyone. Mwah.